Sawadee krap, namaste everyone. So we will try to practice some pranayama. Pranayama might be many people thinking is not necessary to practice, but actually pranayama is the most important part in the yoga practice. Especially if you love yoga, you must practice pranayama. And right now we have COVID, we have many viruses and many problems about the weather and PM 2.5 or many things like. But right now we have to make our immune system strong. Practice asana first and then practice pranayama. Everybody know already Nadi Shodhan, Anulom Vilom, Kapalabhati, but today I will gonna share one technique that is the best. You can practice every time after the asana practice. So we inhale by mouth, exhale by nose, but in between the inhale and the exhale, hold the air in the cheeks. So it will be going to be look like this. I will show you. So keep your hands like this, close your nostrils, inhale by mouth, hold in the breath in your body and chin lock. We will do it 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, never mind. But remember, whenever you're holding the breath, you need to be mindfulness. You need to try to listen to your heartbeat, try to observe your cheeks and the air. And when you want to relax the breath out from your body, then hands down and breathe out from the nostrils. This is the 1 round. And then do it 2nd or 3rd round. Your all the body will get benefit. Every single cell will get affected by get benefit maximum. So that is the pranayama. You can practice this pranayama after Nadi Shodhan and after Anulom Vilom. Hold the breath. After inhale by mouth, create the pressure in your cheeks. Hold your nostrils by thumb. The most important thing, people practice pranayama with the rolling spine like this. So if you're sitting like this, it's not going to effect because we have to straight the spine, open the lungs straight in vertical line, and then you can do pranayama practice. You can switch the hand, but actually we have to follow step by step. See you soon in my next video. Namaste everyone. If you like this knowledge, this video, please feel free to support us by liking this video, and also feel free to share this video with your profile for public. It gives me motivation to make more videos for you so you can get more update, more knowledge and more energy with MD. Yay, let's begin everyone.